Mounting off-road lights on a 2014 FORD F150. Unboxing the off-road lights. In the box you will find user manual, light wiring harness, switch, positive and negative power cables, 3-pin Deutsch connector, light unit, dust covers, bracket buffer pad, mounting bolts, washers, nuts, Allen key, flathead screwdriver. These are the tools needed for this installation. Zip ties, 8mm wrench, 13mm wrench, second 13mm wrench, and pliers. Open the hood. Remove the wiring grommet on the driver's side firewall. Feed the switch through the firewall. Pull the switch out from the driver's side dashboard area. The switch has two functions: the main light switch button, the RGB mode button. Peel off the adhesive backing and mount the switch wherever you prefer. Straighten the wiring harness. Connect the switch plugs together. After organizing the harness, secure it with zip ties. Trim off the excess with pliers. Secure the rest of the harness with zip ties. Trim the excess again. Find a suitable position for the relay and fuse. Secure them with zip ties. Trim off the excess. Continue organizing the connector harness and secure it with zip ties. Trim off the excess. Insert a rubber buffer pad into the bolt. Install the base. Assemble the flat washer, spring washer and nut in order. Use two 13mm wrenches to tighten the nut. Route the light connector into the engine bay. Connect it to the harness you organized earlier. Use an 8mm wrench to loosen the positive battery terminal nut. Attach the red wire to the positive terminal. Reinstall the nut. Tighten it with the 8mm wrench. Use the 8mm wrench again to loosen the negative battery terminal nut. Connect the black wire to the negative terminal. Reinstall the nut. Tighten it with the 8mm wrench. Close the hood. These two pieces are the dust covers for the light. They protect the light assembly. And they also support do-it-yourself customization. You can leave them half open or fully closed. The switch has two buttons. The top button controls the RGB mode. The RGB mode has two options: single color mode and breathing mode. The lower button is the main light on and off switch. The switch will light up when it's turned on. To turn off the RGB mode, press and hold the top button for 3 seconds. The RGB light will turn off.